Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of a vintage bottle of Dune by Dior. This is a fragrance that's actually still in production, but for many people who are interested in this fragrance, what they really value are the older formulations. From what I can gather, this fragrance, which was released in 1991, I believe, was reformulated about 10 years later in 2001. And it's still available to purchase, buried deep on the Dior website. But the new formulation is not as cherished and as valued as the older one. So I've actually purchased an older formulation, and this video is an unboxing to show you what to look for if you want to find a vintage bottle of Dune by Dior. Let's dig in. So I purchased this bottle on eBay, and there are still lots of examples on eBay, but they can be kind of pricey. I think you'll probably end up paying in the $150 range for a 100 ml bottle. This one, however, I got specifically because it is brand new in the cellophane still, which is a good guarantee of both freshness and authenticity. And this person has wrapped it in some kind of plastic baggie, so I've got to find a scissor. Okay, back with the scissor now. Let's see how to get into this without ruining the whole thing. So, here's our cellophane wrapped vintage bottle. Now, the number one way you can tell that a bottle is going to be the vintage formulation is that the box will have two characteristics. It will have the black band at the bottom. This one is the most obvious sign, and it goes all the way around. The new box is all orange from the top to the bottom. The other key way is that the oval will say Dune and Christian Dior. In recent formulations, the oval will only say Dior, not Christian Dior. So those are the two telltale signs that you've got an older formulation. I have not heard very much out there about there being dupes or counterfeit imitations of this product. So if you're able to find a box that's in good condition, especially if it's sealed with a sticker like that, and has the black band and says Christian Dior, pretty good bet that you've got a good quality older formulation version of Dune. Let's see if I can get into it without destroying it. Oh, look, this one actually has like the discounter sticker from, I'm guessing, the 90s, and it's in pounds sterling, $39.50 pound. I wonder how much that is in 2022. It's a very nice box, matte. It's thin cardboard, but it doesn't feel cheap as some of your drugstore perfumes might. It's like not glossy. It's a very nice texture actually with the gilding. And there is a batch code on the bottom. It's embossed, and it will be difficult to see. Yeah, not gonna be able to see it. But both a batch code over here on the left and a barcode. Cool. barcode on the side as well. Very nice continuation of orange on the inside. All matching orange cardboard for the insert. And there's the bottle. Okay, here's a closer look at the bottle. One thing to note is that the newer bottles, even though they're the newer formulation, will still say Christian Dior on the bottle, but really what you're looking for is it to say Christian Dior on the box. Another thing to look out for is the newer formulations are the liquid, the juice, is a much lighter color. So instead of being kind of this deep amber orange color, they'll be kind of a peachy pink. They'll actually look lighter. So if you find a bottle that's not in a box, a good indication of the age is actually how dark the liquid inside is. This has a sticker on the bottom, I believe. No, actually, it's actually printed on the bottom. I guess it's a paint or enamel or ink. Let's see if I can get it to focus. But there is no batch code on the bottom of the bottle. But this is 100 ml and it feels really great, really heavy, very nice quality. It does come in a splash as well as a natural spray. And it's got a gold-toned atomizer there. Only downside really is that the lid, even on the vintage bottles, is kind of a plastic or acrylic bakelite material, but it still looks very good and fits very nicely. I'm not going to review the fragrance today. There's about 1 million reviews out there, and I'm pretty sure if you found this, then you know what you're getting into. But that's how to tell whether or not you've acquired a vintage bottle of Dune by Dior. Thanks for watching.